Hello friends, it's your pal Ken with something that many people take for granted. You should have this bit of equipment in your bag, and that something is, well, it's a tripod. And as soon as you get it on the tripod, look at that, it's magic. We're not shaking anymore. It's all good. Tripods are something we take for granted, and the one that you have will probably not be handed down to your grandchildren. But this one from iFootage could. It comes in this wonderful case that, let's be honest, you probably never use again, but they ship it in a case. And it is just a finely tuned bit of carbon fiber. I'll put that over there. Carbon fiber goodness. This thing is strong and light and just wonderful. I love it. This is such a finely made piece of technology. And yes, I said technology because not only is it carbon fiber through and through, but all of the fittings are aircraft quality aluminum. There's not a bit of plastic on this thing. And when coupled with the Komodo K5 fluid head, it's just awesome. It's just amazing. And look at this thing. It's just beautiful. You won't be embarrassed to take this out on a job. I've had this for about a month now. Used it for everything. Just thrown it in the back of the car, ground it in the dirt, tripped over it, lent it to a clumsy friend of mine. It seems almost impervious to wear and tear. So Ken, how much is this thing? Did I mention that it's a family heirloom and that it'll last forever? iFootage offers many variations on their tripods, all built with quality parts and carbon fiber. This is the Gazelle TC7 version. Link in the description if you're really curious about the price. But this is the kind of thing that will be with you forever. You can always depend on it. I've had tripods in the past that not so dependable. Stop! Stop, 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 stop. Ah! Dude!
Sorry. Bad.
Damn it!
Oh, my bad.
Could this one be toppled by your buddy's RC truck? Maybe, but not as likely. So just a quick video today to let you know about a bit of kit that I have in my bag that I take with me and depend on for just about everything I do. It's an innocuous piece of equipment, the tripod. It's like a toaster or a pencil sharp. Does anybody sharpen pencils anymore? It's something that you'll take for granted and you'll never really notice it unless something fails with it. And that's not likely to happen with an iFootage tripod. I thank them very much for sending me this one to check out. And there's links in the description if you want to get one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Good luck. Happy filming. Buh and bye. This tripod is the best tripod ever. The best! Get a good shot of that tripod.
It's the best tripod. It's the tripod to end all tripods. It's the mother of all tripods.
It really is. This thing is an iFootage tripod. Carbon fiber, aluminum all the way around. The only piece of plastic on it is this that holds the tool that tightens up all of the hardware on it. It's amazing. And this head that's on here is the Komodo K5, which is just incredible. It's a fluid-filled head, which means it's got fluid motion. Should I go on and on?
Yeah, what happens underneath it there?
Oh, this is great. You can, it's got, of course, a level bubbles in here. You can level it out and then just twist and it's done. And these there's another leg extension. It'll get up about this high.
Wow.
It's an amazing tripod. I love it a lot.
And it has 3 legs.
Yes. If it were a woman, I would marry it. How the wedding night would be.
You just made it weird.
I did, didn't I?
Yeah.